Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're like me, you've probably got a stack of documents that need digitizing, and your iPhone in 2025 makes it a breeze. Today, we're covering how to scan documents on an iPhone, a quick and essential skill for work, school, or everyday life. This feature is built right into your device, so no extra apps needed. Let's dive in. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS update for the best experience. This keeps everything smooth and secure. Now, open the Notes app. That's the one with the yellow notepad icon. It's perfect for this because it's simple and integrated. Step 1. Tap the New Note button in the bottom right corner to start fresh. Step 2. In your new note, look for the camera icon just above the keyboard. Give it a tap and select Scan Documents from the options. Step 3. Position your document on a flat surface with good lighting. Your iPhone's camera will automatically detect the edges, hold steady, and it might even capture it automatically. If not, just tap the shutter button. Once scanned, you'll see a preview. Step 4. Use the editing tools to crop, rotate, or adjust the colors for a perfect result. Then, hit Save to add it to your note. That's it. You've got a high-quality digital copy. A few pro tips. For multiple pages, just scan one after another. They'll stack into a single PDF. Make sure your document is flat and well lit for the clearest scans. You can easily share your scanned file via email, messages, or save it to the Files app for later. There you have it, folks, a straightforward way to go paperless. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.